guys, and welcome back to another episode of WolfQuest. This is a new series I'm starting with all the international center wolves. And you're probably wondering, well, you made one with Mackenzie already. Like, you made episode with Mackenzie. Well, I've actually deleted that wolf and renamed a new wolf Mackenzie. The other wolf that I made is a capital N. But here, with this new Mackenzie, actually just a capital M and a capital K. What? We're starting off with Aiden. I'm basically going to try to do all of the episodes based on like the patterning of their on the codes of WolfQuest 3. So then first will be Aiden. Then will be Bolts, then will be Grizzer, and then it will be Mackenzie and Luna. They've all got radio colors so they can be tracked. They're all really special groups. And I don't have a chance to go to 8 yet. Aiden's stats are 56 strength, 47 stamina, and 47 speed. There we go. And I tried my best to try to copy Aiden's coat to try to match the WolfQuest 3 coat. And basically, it's just the first coat with some brown tinting in it. I tried my best to make this look like Aiden. But the one you guys are gonna probably laugh at is my Bolts one. That one is so bad. Like, literally, it's very ugly. You're gonna laugh when you see Bolts. Oh, Bolts tomorrow. Oh no. You guys are not gonna like how Bolts looks. You guys are definitely not gonna like how Bolts looks. He doesn't look that great. I tried my best to make him look good, but he looks so bad. Literally, I don't want to talk about how bad Bolts looks. I'm not lying, he looks pretty bad, I have to say. Because stamina, run again. Looks like the antler is just part of the compass. Let's quickly smell about. What am I getting? Pretty easy, so I'm not sure. They're all gonna have 4 litters because they're very important rules. And I know I haven't posted a lot. Oh! As well, you might be yelling at me saying, but what about this pup with Piper? Another wolf that we had named Piper, and she had a puppy named Aiden herself. Well, I'm just gonna say, I think, specifically, that I'm going to probably change it instead of the Dan at the end, just Dan, so Aiden. So we have like 2 different types of Aidens instead. So yeah, that resolves everything. Now, his mates might be a difficult one. A lot of them might be difficult. Mackenzie's we already know since our playthrough with her. As for being one of the heir to, I think it was Rhea. No, it wasn't Rhea. I think it was Koi Wolf? I think it was either Koi Wolf or Page that got the I think it was Page. And I remember seeing this wolf on Aiden's page called Maya, but I don't really think that is his mate, but I think I might just make his mate Maya, because I actually don't know his real mate. The same for bolts. Since I don't really know bolts. I know, oh, as well for Luna, I don't know hers either. Oh, this one is really tough. But I know that Mackenzie's is Lakota, and Grizzer's is Denali. I'm gonna be really sad if it doesn't work. Oh, whoa! I'm sorry, madam. I wasn't trying to hunt you. I'm sorry, madam. Madam Elf. Just keep annoying this poor elk breaker for just trying to let her go back, and then we just attack her. Stamina chaser, darn it. Oh, you're going to become Aiden's lunch show. You're going to become Aiden's lunch show station. You're gonna become Aiden's breakfast. Go ahead, take this elk down. Thank you. Oh wow, Aiden, careful. You're very close to it. I just said those are just cows. The poor cow are weak. I wish, like, as an Easter, like, no, not Easter, but like, I would hope, like, when you're like, when your wolfquest 3 mobile is nearly done, that they decide to add for the mobile people, like a surprise by like putting like elk calves and moose calves and newborn elk calves and newborn moose calves. That would be cool. And it basically looks the same like those 3. Except some of the mothers and the still calves, while others don't. And something else would be cooler. Oh, I hear the car. It'd be like if the mothers have the calves, unconvertible unless you got a mate or a and the cows that don't have calves. Die! Elk, you hello. You're gonna watch me eat your friend. 400. 4 more. Actually, let's check for the bullet. Oh, he's right there. You know what? I think I should try it. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I don't know. Ah, I got his leg. Or his butt. I got his butt. Yeah, come on, Aiden, you got this. If you can't tell, I did add some brown in there. Try to make him look blue. Well, you guys are gonna laugh when you see my bolts. My bolts look so ugly. Okay, back away, Aiden, back away. Okay, come on. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna be naming his name Maya, and hopefully you guys are on the best. I'm going to have to research to see if Bolts had a mate, or what was her name. If he didn't, then I'm just gonna give his mate a random name. Or if he had a wolf that he was deeply attached to. Actually, I saw this in the wolfquest knowledge base about Bolt's skin. It showed like something about Bolt's. A fun fact about Bolt's. I apparently had a phobia about the summertime insects. actually, I think might be his challenge. He's kind of has a little phobia, which would be actually a very cute little challenge. So that's probably gonna be Boltz's challenge. I don't know what to do for Olga. Oh, I think I know. Actually, I think he would have. I don't know. I think this one would be a good challenge here. For Aiden's challenge, he has to always he always has to be. What's it called, the den? Oh, Saddle Meadows Den. Now you're probably wondering, why are you doing that? It's such an easy den site to play in. Well, for me, it's not. Sometimes I can pick the wrong, like I can go to the wrong way to try to cross with the puppies, and they drown. Or it takes a lot longer than it should take to take the puppies across. So that's the challenge. Of course, some of them might be hunting to get the carcasses they need to get the yelp that helps across. No, but that may be tough. I want to get your butt, sir. Sir, let me bite your butt. Thank you. Let me, sir, let me bite your butt. Oh, dude, who's on time now? This is having a good Go from the butt. Wait, what? Coyote? Oh, that's not good. He's eating all my food. Don't eat my food. I get charged for this food. Ruining my food. You darn coyotes. And follow the scent. And we'll take down the elk that is. Oh, look at the bullock. He's running after the cow. Well, he was running after that female. When we were chasing him, he was just running after one of the girls. Oh my gosh. Aiden, careful. Aiden, coyote, get away. I need this. I need this food. I need this food more than the coyote does because I need to eat. I need food. Coyotes, stop. I need these carcasses. No, you can't have them. I'm sorry. I just need them for myself. I need to eat these. Oh, that was really close. I shouldn't have done that. Luckily, there wasn't as should have been. Luckily, so okay. Oh, there's an injured cow elk? Ooh, guys, should I risk it? Should I risk it for a biscuit? Oh, let's try it. This might be actually really bad, but we're gonna try it for ourselves to get more food. Alright, we're risking the biscuits. Okay, we're risking it. We're risking for the biscuit. We're risking for the biscuit. Risking the biscuit. Risk the biscuit. Come on. Risk the biscuit. Yes. Oh, my goodness. Oh, thank goodness. Oh. Oh my God, you guys. That one was a very, very close call. Oh yes, the sneaky tactic. But wham, there we go. We killed him. Now it's time to find ourselves a dispersal female and hopefully get some experience. So the next time we're with Aiden, we can head over to Sleep Creek. Which actually might take a while since we do gotta go through Bolts, then Grizzer, then I think it's Luna, then Mackenzie. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So it's the males first, and then it's the females. Ow. But okay, let's go. Hopefully we don't have to kill any stranger wolves along the way. Hopefully we don't have to do that. I don't want to do that. But yeah, Mackenzie's challenge is going to be the same as we did with the last playthrough. Sir, get back here. I'm not done with you. Bolt's challenge is that if we hear any insects, we have to run to like a wooded area to stay safe from the insects. I don't know for Grizzer, Luna, and Aiden though. There it is, a territory. I must get it into it. There's a lone tree right there. Another lone tree, another lone tree. Sniff. We're not in territory yet. Are we in territory yet? How long does it get to get in place? Now, Maya is like a brown wolf, so we need to find another brown wolf and get her as a mate. Get this done and fast. Get this done and fast. You. Yes, the color that we need. Maya, come join us. Come join Aiden. Come join Aiden. Oh no, is it? Oh no, that's not what I want to do! No! No! Let's hang out, let's hang out. Let's hang out. Let's hang out. Yes, there we go. Oh, I clicked the wrong one by accident. Let's start the... Here we go, and then the final one. Let's start it back. Let's go. Boom! 5 hearts. We've now started Aiden's pack. There we go. Maya. I actually don't know if this is made or not. I'm just guessing. Yes! Maya! You can actually check the National Wolf Center's page in about Aiden, because I'm pretty sure, because I remember seeing that there was something with Maya and Aiden there. Oh no, it's raining! Are you serious? Just when we start bonding, it rains. Oh, now we must get experience. So now we can actually have enough experience. Wait, she counts as a stranger wolf? How does she count as a stranger wolf? That doesn't make any sense. episode, we're gonna be with Bolts, trying to get him a mate. There's a coyote. That's experience worthy. Get it! There we go. Okay, we got it. We're going just one quick hunt together, and then we're gonna end this. Yes. Darn it, but it's an unknown age. What if we lead us to the wrong place? No, since we're becoming brighter, we're definitely going brighter. Alright, we're just gonna do a quick hunt. Look now. Alright, which one, Maya? That one? Okay, let's go. Oh, yes. Yes, this is so much better. So much better. The mate than working alone. Where is Maya? I don't know. Oh, she's right there. Gotta get it. Come on, get it. I wanna get it. Oh, come on. There we go. Maya, help me. Maya, help us. Where is she? Maya, you're supposed to be helping us on the hunt. Where are you? Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Oh, she's going. She's going for it. Okay, and then fight hold. There we go. Alright. Yeah, she's not and boom, there we go. A successful hunt. And well, you guys know this, we're gonna end the episode. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I shall see you guys next time.